Today we were going to make a installation of cold shrink tube to waterproof this connector. The first step is, before connection, you need to slip over the cold shrink tube. Make sure the ripcord is passed from inside, and then slip over. And the second step is to make a connection. And then we need to confirm the point we will start to sealing. Usually we start from 3 centimeters of the connector. Let's make a mark. Then here, pull the ripcord. Start from here. And continue to pull. Slow down the pulling when at the end. The last step is to check if the tube is fitted to the cable well. Done.